Meet Smart Bob and Risky Bob. They're both CTOs at Enterprise in parallel universes. Smart Bob has chosen to have Quest's disaster recovery workshop and have Quest's expert team assess Enterprise's preparedness for IT disasters and to strengthen any weaknesses he might have. Risky Bob has chosen not to do that and to do the preparations himself. Smart Bob and his team work with Quest and receive a thorough analysis of their IT vulnerabilities. Risky Bob has brought a crocodile to work and is demonstrating his ability to tame the reptile. Smart Bob and his staff, along with Quest, are conducting a tabletop test of their disaster preparedness to see the system in action. Risky Bob has taken his staff out in a rainstorm to watch him run around with a lightning rod. Smart Bob receives recommendations and a plan to strengthen their IT infrastructure and to prepare for quick and successful recovery in the case of a disaster. Risky Bob has chosen a riskier path. Why? Millions of businesses worldwide encounter some form of disaster. 25% of those businesses never fully recover. When a disaster strikes, be it a power outage, hardware failure, network failure, software failure, human error, hurricane, flood, winter storm, fire, security breach, or anything else, Risky Bob is not in a good position, while Smart Bob gets things back up and running in no time. Risky Bob's Enterprise loses hundreds of thousands of dollars daily, while Smart Bob's Enterprise thrives again in his universe. Quest has been in the business of managing technology and preparing its clients for disaster recovery for over 30 years. Working with Quest helps Smart Bob feel confident that he is prepared as best as he can for any disaster, natural, man-made, or otherwise. Finally, Risky Bob decides to call Quest to minimize his risk and make business a little less thrilling. To set up your own no-obligation Quest Disaster Recovery Workshop, visit this long string of words.